Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the beautiful Rye Heights, the Rye Heights. This is our 2-bedroom. This is a part 2 video. We're now going to go into the bedrooms. So let's go into the bedrooms right now and take a look. It's a really pretty bedroom. This is a very big, wow, big bedroom. It's very nice. It's just gorgeous. The walls are just crisp and clean, perfect color. It's a really beautiful window that's over there. That's very nice. And then let's look in the, oh gosh, the bathroom is really pretty. There's the dual sinks in there, lighted mirrors, a lot of light. Beautiful flooring, by the way. And one thing they've done really well here is just all the lights that they have make it super pretty. They've got a really nice, both the shower and the tub are in here. That's super cool. The closet, hey, this is an A closet. There's a lot of storage in here. Huge walk-in closet. So I think you're going to love that too. This is the master. Let's take a quick look at the other one so you can see it. Remember, we had seen all this before. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's go to the second. Okay, wow. This is a king bed, easily fitting there. This is pretty wide end tables, nightstands. It's fitting, no problem. Gosh, gorgeous looking here. And then you've got some windows here, plenty of room for dressers, things like that. This is the guest bathroom, and also very attractive. Huge mirror there that's lighted. Just really crisp and clean look and feel in here. And then here is another great size closet. Okay, it's a good looking closet. A lot of walk-in space. This is really impressive. So B1, this is their beginning 2-bedroom. This would be a great 2-bedroom for roommates. Hey, if you got any questions about anything you're seeing or you're ready to take a tour, you can do a virtual with me. We'll do a virtual and set that up for you. And that's virtual live on your iPhone. We can also do an in-person tour, and it's always free. We can also do a tour of the best, let's say 3 to 5 apartments in the Heights. Be happy to do that as well. Send me a text, just request that right away. That's my number below.